Thank you. Welcome to Chipotle Electrical Solutions. I've just finished working on this car inverter. I've realized something. It has got a low voltage lockout. I want to switch it on at 12 volts exactly. It won't powers on at anything less than 12 volts. So let me bring down my voltage here. So that you'll be able to see. Right. Right, I want you to see that it won't powers on at 12 volts. We'll check with the panel. Switching on. It's 11.9 volts. It won't switch on. 11.9 is, we take the readings from this meter, and on this display it shows 11.9 here, 11.8, 11.9. Fine. If I bring it up to 12 and it switches on, 12.1. Right now I've got 12.1. It switches on. Let me switch on, off. Switching off. I've got a power supply. Then let me switch it on again. You see, 12.01. No voltage output on the inverter. Now let me put the voltage to 12.1. No, 12.4. 11, 12.7. Sorry, it's not that accurate. Yeah, 12.3. I can switch off, switch it on. Fine. See, there's the connection tone. And let me bring it to 13 volts. As you can see, 13.5. Can go as far as 14 volts. Switch it off, switch it on. Connection tone. So if I think that's what I mean by it is protection over voltage, under voltage, or something that nature. That's the nature of this inverter. Let me bring down my voltage to 12.1. Fine. Then let me switch it off. As you can see, and let me switch it on again. You see, it's now charging. That is the inverter we have today. That's our inverter. Thank you. Then I can also add the other things is on this side. You can charge. I don't know if it is charging. Let me check. So it is dead. Yeah, on this side it is dead. It's not working.